Northern Gala will carry over to 2026. Let's make sure we have a good time. I think our 6 contestants are here. Okay, let's have contestant number 1 stand over here. 1, and then 2, 3. All right, and 4, 5, and 6.
OK， 好啦，咁我哋呢個揭曉嘅方法咧係好特別嘅 ，OK， 唔使我哋講，我哋大家一齊睇屏幕就會知道究竟邊個可以贏得今晚嘅大盤菜。咁喺我哋宣佈之前，當然要請翻老細上嚟頒獎嘉賓先啦，係嘛？俾啲掌聲有請希少。
Yeah, we're gonna announce the winners via the monitors and
大家一齊睇大屏幕，睇大屏幕。Where's the video？ 睇下你哋後面，睇住 ，coming。
Congratulations to contestant number 1, Rachel Lee. You are the winner.
影張相先。希少話好事要成雙，所以佢決定俾第2個最高分嘅都一個盤菜，就係2號啦。2號你都會得到一個盤菜。好嘅 ，Rachel， 呢個俾你嘅。2號好事成雙一樣，恭喜發財
Congratulations, surprise contestant number 2 who had the second highest score will also receive a punchai because good fortune comes in pairs. And to all our participants, you also get a red envelope. Thank you for participating. Please take a group picture with ACU after you receive your present.
$100 voucher to spend at East Buffet。希少企中間唔該，兩個贏嘅企中間唔該。Yes，OK，Yes，good job，good job。OK，take a picture，俾啲掌聲佢哋好嘛，好大嘅勇氣。
A round of applause to all our contestants. Again, even if they didn't win the food choy, they're walking away with a $100 voucher to East Buffet.
Beautiful。OK， 多謝晒 ，Thank you，you may be seated。Thank you， 恭喜發財，恭喜晒。
恭喜晒 ，Thank you to all our participants.
OK， 希少請留步啦，請到你上嚟，梗係冇咁快俾你落台先，交俾你講翻幾句新年説話俾大家。
OK， 首先咧，我係代表我哋集團全體董事就講呢一段説話嘅。咁我用國語定用廣東話？
廣東話。
騎馬咧今晚就唔過海，咁我就用國語啦。尊敬的各位朋友，親愛的家人們，大家好。今天我懷着感恩